Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rajiv Senapati, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at SRM University-AP. At SRM University-AP, the computer science curriculum is carefully designed with a vision that goes beyond conventional education. Our focus is not only to make students industry ready, but also to nurture them into responsible and socially conscious human beings. The curriculum is continuously updated to match the need of the time, emerging technologies, and evolving industry expectations. We strongly believe that education must remain dynamic, relevant, and impactful. Our students are exposed to a wide spectrum of domains, including artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, cybersecurity, cloud computing, Internet of Things, blockchain, and full-stack development. Along with strong theoretical foundations, the curriculum emphasizes hands-on learning through laboratories, industry projects, hackathons, internships, and research-oriented activities. One of the major strengths of our curriculum is its outcome-based and interdisciplinary approach. Courses are developed in consultation with academic experts, industry professionals, and global educational practices to ensure that students acquire both technical competence and practical problem-solving skills. We also integrate experiential learning through MOOCs, industry certifications, coding platforms, innovation projects, and collaborative learning environments. This helps students stay aligned with rapidly changing technological trends and prepares them for real-world challenges from the very beginning of their academic journey. However, at SRM-AP, education is not limited to technical excellence alone. We strongly emphasize ethics, sustainability, social responsibility, leadership, communication, teamwork, and community engagement. Our students are encouraged to develop solutions that not only serve industries but also contribute positively to the society at large. Through value-added courses, innovation ecosystems, entrepreneurship initiatives, and community-driven projects, we aim to shape graduates who can lead with knowledge, empathy, integrity, and responsibility. In essence, the computer science curriculum at SRM University-AP is designed to create future-ready professionals who can innovate, adopt, and contribute meaningfully to the global community. Thank you.